Hey guys, welcome to Cooking with Regular. We will make a quiche today, a really good one. Yeah, I hope you like it. That's the first time you're going to hear my voice now, and I hope you like it as well. Yeah, let's go right into work. And what do we need for our quiche? We need feta cheese, butter, flour, paprikas, leek, and sour cream. And eggs. Yeah, I totally forgot to buy eggs, so I will be right back. So, now that I got the eggs as well, we also need 5 eggs. We need 250 grams of flour. That's about right. Then shake, shake, shake. And shake. We add 240 grams butter. Knives here. And use the butter pop. No, still not. See, 140 grams and the cat. What can go wrong? By the way, hey, that's Tiger. If you never met him in person, I mean you probably won't, but it's a nice guy. You want my butterfingers, right? Yeah. Let's take him off. After the butter, we add half a tablespoon of salt and 5, I don't know what that's called, but of cold water. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yay. Then we start to knead the dough. Make sure the butter is already warm, so it will be a lot easier. So, how was your day? What did you do all day? So, and when the dough looks something like that, it's finished. That's good. Oh, I totally forgot. We need a spring form as well, but that wouldn't be a cooking video if the guy showing things wouldn't come up with something you probably don't have at home. Yeah. So we use a bit more than the half of the dough and just push it really nice into the spring form. For you. So, and the rest of the dough we'll make like this little dough worm, and then we push it on the sides. That we cut off a little bit because we only want it to be like 1 centimeter. Take the rest to fill the gaps. And after that, take a fork, make tiny little holes everywhere so the dough will finish evenly. I hope that's the reason, otherwise I will tell you bullshit. And then we will put it in the oven for like 14-15 minutes and in the shadow. Get our leek and cut off the ends. We take the outer shell off. That. Oops. Now you can see there's all dirt and stuff, so we will rinse it from the water. Cut a bit from the dark leaves because it's really bitter and we don't want that. And after that we cut them in half, again under the water, and we will clean the layers. Jesus Gouda. After that we take our paprikas. We usually cut them like that. And that red one as well. And after that we need our sour cream, eggs, and then we will put everything into a bowl. 1, 2, 3, 4, and after that we add the sour cream. I will put the recipe in the description as well. After that we will season it with nutmeg, salt, lots of salt, pepper. I like to add a bit of soy sauce as well. And then we got paprika. If you want to, you can add some garlic as well. Yep. Use my little micro plane. There we go. And again, just mix it. That. We add 5 tablespoons of flour. Mix that in. So now it's a bit thicker. And we can start to cut the other ingredients. First of all, the rest of the garlic, of the paprika, we just do like nice slices. And then we're going to do little squares. You didn't see anything. The leek, we will just cut here into little stripes as well. Totally forgot about the Gouda cheese. I like to grate it myself, but you can also buy it like already grated. So we'll cut off this wax. I have to try first, right? And then we can grate it. Now there's only the Feta cheese left. I like to use my hands and just push it and move it a bit so it will look like that. Best and easy way. get the job done. My hands are already dirty. We will take that out. I will just use my hands to mix it. Reminds me of her. Good. Let's have a look. A little friend. Look at you. Ooh. I think that one is finished. You can see it moved already from the outside. And now we will add our little mixture. That looks good. Now we will put it back in the oven for around about 50 minutes at 100 degrees Celsius. Oh, you're still here? That's good. Maybe we should have a look at the quiche, because time is over. Isn't it? Smoky. Let's have a look. So, and after 1 hour, because I decided to leave it a little bit longer, it will look something like that. And if you're not sure if it's finished, just get yourself a toothpick in the middle. If you pull it out and it's all clean, then it's finished. Now we will leave it for like 20 minutes, half an hour, so it cools down a bit, and then we can eat.